Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how osmosis occurs. Osmosis, it is a process by which fluids move from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane. The materials we require for performing this experiment are 20% sugar water, pure water, peeled potato, a bowl, and 2 pins. First, you have to take pure water or distilled water and pour it into the bowl. Then, you have to take the potato and put it into the bowl. After that, take the 20% sugar water and pour it into the peeled potato. Now mark the level of the sugar water from a pin. Now leave the potato undisturbed for about 2 hours. Now let's wait for it. Now the 2 hours have passed and you can see the cavity is filled and the level of sugar solution has risen. Now let's mark the level of the sugar solution with another pin. As you can see, the level of the sugar solution rise because the pure water and the sugar solution mixed with each other, which rise the level of sugar solution inside the potato. This happens because pure water has a higher concentration of free energy than the sugar water. Thank you.